Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn that animal around us. Lesson number 15, animal around us. Yes or no children, there are many different kinds of animals around us. Yes or no, in our around us, we can see many different types of animals. Some are wild animals, some are pet animals, and some are domestic animals. Yes or no, we can see in our around. So one by one we are going to learn which are the domestic animals are there, what you mean by domestic animals, and what you mean by wild animals, and which are the animals we will call as a wild animals, and what are the pet animals, where they are living, and these are the things we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay children, there are many different kinds of animal around us. Yes or no? You people all are agree about that. There are many different kinds of animals we can see in our around. So some are very small. Can you see the picture? See children, some are very small and some are very big. So while some are very small and some animals are very big. Some animals live close to our homes. Yes or no? Which animal will live close to our homes? Like a cow, dog, cat. These are the animals very close to ours. Yes or no? And also it is very quite to useful us. So not only we are living, keeping the animals, because of their uses of only we are keeping some animals. So such animals has known as a domestic animal. What do you mean by domestic animal? Some animal live close to ours and our homes and quite useful to us. Such animals what we will call as a domestic animal. And we also keep some animals at home as a pet. Which are the animal we will call as a pet? That is cat and dog. Which animal we will call as a pet? That is dog and cat is known as a pet animals. Remaining things, which animal we will keep in our house? That is cow, goat, sheep, and buffalo, and hen, chick. These are the animal why we want to keep, because of our use. Yes or no? For our use, we will keep these animals in a home. Next, children, we have to move on that. What do you mean by wild animals? There are also some animals that live in the jungle. Where the wild animals live? Wild animals live in the jungle, and they are very far away from us because they are very dangerous animals. Yes or no? So there are some animals that live in the jungle far away from us. It is not near to us. It is very far from us. Domestic animal is very near to us, but wild animals are very far away from us. Such animals are called wild animals. Children, which animal we will call as a wild animals? Which animals are very dangerous and which are very far away from us? That animal we will call as a wild animals. The wild animals, where it will live? It will live in the jungle and forest. Example, tiger. What are the example of wild animals? Tiger, deer, giraffe, hippopotamus, bear, elephant, monkey, lion, zebra are the example of wild animals. See, children, animals are found in the different places. Yes or no? Not only all the animals we can't get in one place. Is it correct or not? All the animals are we can find in the different places. For example, we find animals everywhere. Yes or no? Some animals, when different place, we can found some animals. Example, in the sky. In the sky also we can see the animals. On trees, yes. On the trees also we can see. On the land, very good. On land also we can identify. In water also we can see some animals. Can you give me the example of the in the sky? Which animal we can see in the sky? Which animal will be there? That is birds. Bird will fly in the sky. On trees, birds, monkey will live on the trees. On land, land means on the land, which animal? All the domestic wild animals only live in the water only. And in water we can see the aquarium, like a fish, aquatic animals we can live in the water. So lizard on the wall, where the lizard will be there? Children, can you see the picture? What is this? This is known as a lizard. Lizard, where the lizard will live? Lizards on the wall. And what about hands? Hands live on the floor. And fish, fish in the water, birds in the sky. So these are the things we can see the animals everywhere. Yes or no, children? Next, we have to move on that. Okay, animals and their homes. See, children, just as we live in the house, yes or no, where we are living, we all are living in the house. Why we need house? House will protect us from the all kind of dangerous things. Yes or no? Is it correct or not? The home or house will protect us from the all kinds of dangerous. And also, not only human beings as well as animals also need homes for themselves. What do you think? Bird's nest is, what is a bird's nest? Can you see the picture? What the bird's nest is? Have you seen in your beehive? Can you see the picture of beehive? Did you see everywhere? Anywhere? Yes, very good. And bird's nest? Yes, very good, children. A nest and beehive. A nest of and hive. This is the bird's nest and this is the beehive. Are both homes of animals. Different animals make different homes. Yes or no? Different types of animals make different homes. Birds make the nest. Who makes the nest? Birds. Birds make the nest. And why they want to build a nest? Because they lay eggs and raise their young ones. What they will do? They will lay eggs on and raise their young ones. The rabbit make the rabbit. Where the rabbit will live? Rabbit will make the burrow. So that burrow for itself, but the rabbit makes a burrow and itself for human beings make the hutch to keep the rabbit where the man will keep as a hutch. Okay, but rabbit will live inside the hut like a ground. Where it will live in the burrow. So now the bee, where the bee lives in the beehive. Where the birds live in the nest. And where the dogs live in the kennel. Horse lives in the stable. And where the monkey will live, the monkey lives on the tree. And where the hen lives in the coop. And where the cow will live, cows live in the shed. And where the squirrel will live, squirrel lives on the tree. Yes or no, children? There many animals are often killed for the fun. Many animals are often to killed by the fun as a result of their a number of reducing reducing and in order to protect the animals. Many forests have been made into national park. Yes or no? And also sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries also we can see. Where these animals are safe and no one can harm them. Yes or no? Because of some people, they are wantedly they are killing for the animals because of their fun. So we should not do like that. So what we have to do? We have to keep in that like a zoo or what we have to do? We have to see that national park and sanctuaries where the animals are safe. There we should go and see the animals. Yes or no, children? Next, what are the uses of animals? Animals are very useful to us in the many ways, in different ways. Yes or no? For example, animals such as donkey, the horses, bullock cart, what they will do? See, horse, buffalo, and donkey, they will carry the load. Whatever it may be, who will carry the load? Horse, buffalo, donkey. These are the animals will carry their loads. Yes or no? Next, what is the use of sheep? Sheep will give us wool. Who will give us wool? Sheep. So with the help of wool, what we will make? We will make us a cloth, woolen cloths. Yes or no? In the winter season, we are wearing in the woolen cloths. Yes or no? That one who will give for us? That is sheep will give for us. So it is very useful to us in that. And next, donkey. Donkey is very helpful to us because it will carry the loads. And children, dog, what the dog will do, how the dog will help for us. The dog will guard our house. Yes or no? What the dog will do? The dog will guard our house like a watchman. He will not allow any person inside our house. So that's why we are keeping our dog as a pet animal. And who will give us milk? That is cow, buffalo, goat are give us milk. Yes or no, children? Who will give us milk? That is cow, buffalo, goat will give us milk. So we should not harm them. Yes or no, children? Animals are useful to us in many such a ways. So what we have to do? We should not harm them. Yes or no? What the people are doing? They are they are doing very badly to the animals. They harm to the animals, but we should not harm for the animals and their homes. So we should not be cruel to the animals. We should not be cruel to the animals, and we should not tease them. Yes or no? We always to keep. We have to save the animals. We should not kill the animals always. Okay, these are the things we are learned in this lesson. I hope you people are understood about this lesson. Yes or no, children? Animals we can see as a big, some wild and domestic, various types of animals we can see. And where the animals are found? Animals are found in the different place like a sky, water, land, and trees. And all the animals they are make their homes. It's a no for all the types of animal they will make their homes. Animals are useful to us in many ways. We should not hurt them for the animals, and we should not cruel to the animals, and we should not tease the animals. These are the lesson we are learned in this lesson. Okay, I hope you people are understood about this lesson. Thank you for watching this video.